From NBC5, this is the NBC5 News at 4:30.
Now to the Hudson family murder trial. On this day, the prosecution rested, and so did the defense. In fact, the defense's case lasted only 20 minutes. NBC5's Charlie Wojciechowski reports from 26th in California.
Good afternoon. The testimony today very important because for the first time, the prosecution now has a direct link between the murders and the suspect, William Balfour. Keys found on his person the day he was arrested that fit Jason Hudson's SUV. Prosecutors saved their last witness to debunk the defense's biggest contention, that there is no physical evidence to connect William Balfour to the murders of Darnell Donnerson, Jason Hudson, and Julian King. Detective Chet Bach testified about the discovery of Hudson's GMC Suburban on the west side, with King's body in the back seat covered by a shower curtain. Bach says he was asked by prosecutors to test 3 sets of keys taken from Balfour the day he was arrested against the SUV. One of them opened the doors and unlocked the ignition. That's the key to the case, according to former prosecutor Tom Glasgow.
It's incredibly important. It's also incredibly important that tying in with the lies that were built up by the prosecution yesterday about the evasiveness of the defendant as to where he was, coupled with the identification by the witness earlier of the defendant having the gun that ended up being the murder weapon.
The defense challenged the chain of custody of those keys, recalling a prosecution witness, Detective Thomas Kelly, to ask why they were not mentioned in one report. Kelly said they were mentioned in a supplementary report.
The defense has taken a lot of time attempting to discredit these witnesses, that nobody saw anything or that it was a linkage to the defendant. But the most important thing is the defense really should put on a defense to rebut some of this stuff.
Both the prosecution and the defense have now rested. Closing arguments will start tomorrow morning at 11 o'clock. At 26 in California, Charlie Wojciechowski, NBC5 News.